So I bought my bike about a year ago after I was in a bad wreck at 150 miles per hour. I built the bike from a frame. I bought it as a frame, and me and my girl just went from there. We started with a frame, and we literally bought part after part for 6 months until we had all the parts we needed. We put it together. Of course, she has the Savage sauce in her. You know, if you have a cow, you gotta have the Savage sauce. Now I always keep coming back because it's amazing bikes out here. It's what you call it? Out here we're with the community, man. It's nothing but love. You feel like you're at home, and then you don't get no better vibes than being out here, man. You guys are the only ones that I knew that do giveaways. You guys support the community by always having a food truck out here, making sure we fed. So it's nothing but great vibes and good people to be around here.
What do you think your bike's gonna get, bro?
60, 62, something like that. Maybe 65 on a good day. We'll see. than that.
What'd you get?
71. And our buddy with the R7, his shit got full exhaust tuned, and it only made 68. That bitch is stock. That's solid. I'm happy. I'm happy.